Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 54 Hunters Run in Pittsford.
This is an amazing updated ranch. So let's take a tour.
This is open one-floor living with a great room featuring a spacious living area with a gorgeous fireplace, a picture window, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a dining area with patio access and a white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. The first floor also features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master and an updated full bathroom.
This spectacular lower level includes a spacious living area, great for a media room with an entertainment-sized bar and a potential guest suite with a full bathroom. This beautifully landscaped lot is located in an exceptional Pittsford location, within walking distance to the Erie Canal, Bushnell's Basin, and nearby village of Pittsford. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 54 Hunters Run in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!